I'm actually so excited because today I'm going to be doing makeup inspired by Euphoria Season 2. Now for this look, I'm going to be trying to do a mashup of a couple different looks. So I'm going to be trying to do a little bit of this look mixed with a little bit of this look. I'm wearing my little finger gloves like Maddie does in the first episode, and I'm ready to go. So I've already done this off camera, but I've moisturized with my moisturizer. This one has been really hydrating, but not oily, which I really like because I have combination skin. Somehow it's both too dry and too oily at the same time, but that one's been working really well. It moisturizes without making me feel oily and without breaking me out as well. Now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Primer to prime. I just got this, so I'm very curious to see how it works. Wow, I put way too much on. A little goes a long way. Obviously, less is more. I would have used that same amount for the other primer and it probably would have been just enough. Also, I noticed maybe I just have too much, but I feel like this is leaving a white cast on me. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline foundation, and this is the color 332. The girls had pretty much natural makeup, so I'm just gonna do my everyday soft glam routine because the focus was mainly on their eyes as the wow piece. I'm gonna put that in all my highlighted places. I'm gonna use a sponge to press this in because sponges suck up some of the stuff. Look at this half of my face and then this half of my face. I look like the peanut butter baby on this half.
Does it feel good? Yeah.
Then I'm gonna use my other foundation. It's the same brand as the other one, it's just a different shade, 340. Next, I'm gonna conceal my eyes. And then I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. Put that on there, and then I'm gonna let it get tacky, and then I will blend that out. And for concealing, I'm using this Tarte foundation. I'm not sure what color this is. It just says Amazonian clay. I have no idea. All I know is it's too light for me, but I love to use it as concealer. Jules had like really thick eyebrows, and then Maddie has more of like a natural arched eyebrow. I think because there's so much going on in this look, I'm probably going to go with the more simple eyebrow. Maddie's eyebrow, it's just a little bit more clean, and I don't want anything to take away from the like super intense eye look I'm gonna be doing. So I'm gonna be using this Tarte Energy Noir palette, and I'm gonna take the brown in there and kind of try and shape my eyebrows before I fill them in. Blend that out a little bit. Then I'm going to use a brow pencil to fill in some hair strokes. And I'm using the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim. I'm gonna use an old mascara to fill in the hairs. That looks pretty good. Then I'm gonna take more concealer and clean these up. And I'm using the same one that I used for my under eye. Okay, now that I'm done with the eyebrows, I can blend out my concealer. Now I'm gonna add another layer of concealer with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Honey. And I like to blend this out with my finger. Gonna add some powder. I'm using this CoverGirl powder, but I don't, oh my god, there's a lash under here. Wow. Professional loose powder in 115. Came with a little poof that I love. Not gonna put it on my forehead because my forehead is always really dry for some reason. The rest of my face could need powder, but my forehead will never. It just looks so dry and cakey. Now for their eye looks, they both had like a glittery shadow, and I'm not sure if they were silver or blue. I think I'm gonna go with a little mix of both. I'm gonna take my Morphe 35B palette, the one that looks like this. I'm gonna take the lightest blue, which is I guess this one, and I'm gonna very lightly put this all over my lid. I'm gonna do a mix of Star and Blue Ice because they're like silver and white. I'm gonna kind of wing this out because Maddie's eyeshadow kind of carries onto her wing. I'm gonna go back and clean this up with a little bit of concealer that's left on my brush. I'm just blending out the crease just a little bit with the leftover glitter. I'm also gonna clean up a little bit of the inner corner. And now it's time to start the most fun part, the eyeliner. Now, I don't know how much I'm gonna talk during this next part because I need all the concentration I can get. Okay, so I might just have to show you guys. I'll keep a picture up just so you guys can see like what part of the eye I'm working on. Wish me luck. I can't tell if this little bottom thing is a lash or a liner, so I just did it with liner. Now I completely forgot to contour, so that's what I'm gonna do now, like my normal contouring routine. And I just use a Fenty Beauty matchstick in espresso. Don't want to go too heavy because both the girls have a natural look going on, so I'm just gonna do what I normally do. And I think I want to do lip liner and lip gloss, just like Maddie has. I'm going to finish this off with some lashes. I'm gonna use the Ardell Demi Wispies for this look because, dare I say, these lashes look kind of natural. So that is it. That is the finished look. I hope you guys really like it. I had so much fun doing this, and thanks for hanging out.